Okay, so I have all these receipts that I found in the van. Will these do?
That's a good start. But when it comes to source documents, we need to make sure that we have everything.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Source documents are the proof that the transaction really happened. If you have to go back and check an invoice from a vendor, but you don't have it, well, that's a problem.
Got it. So everything means everything.
Now you're getting the picture.
Bianca, I knew it. Your guides led you back to us, didn't they?
Glad to see you too. You need to hear this as well, so make sure you're balanced and have a seat. All right, remember when I said that reconciliation is like a big matching game? Well, before we can start matching up socks, we have to gather them all up and make sure we have all of them. We're going to be teaching these two to match up their own socks too. But before we can do that, it looks like we're going to have to teach them to keep all of their socks in one place, not in a desk drawer or the glove compartment. In the game of reconciliation, source documents are where we find all of the transactions that we will need to verify. Just about anything can be a source document, so let's go over what they are, why they're important, and some examples of source documents.